Hi guys, my name is Dom and welcome back to a brand new video on DomTalksTech. So the Samsung Galaxy S21 event is just around the corner. Samsung announced that this would be taking place on January the 14th, which is well over a month earlier than it usually takes place. So as usual and as previous years have shown, Samsung Galaxy S21 has been leaked to high heavens. So there's a lot of information that we already know about the S21. So let's talk about what we already know. If you're new to the channel and you haven't already, please remember to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all the latest tech news, and make sure you turn on that bell icon so you get notified as soon as a brand new video drops. Thanks guys, and enjoy the video. Just like last year, Samsung is rumoured to be dropping 3 of their flagship Galaxy S lineup. So we've got the Samsung Galaxy S21, that's the standard one. We've got the S21 Plus, and then we've got the S21 Ultra, which is the best of the bunch and the most advanced smartphone that Samsung offers. Firstly, let's talk about the design, and this is quite a big refresh for this year. And personally, I'm a big fan of it, and the way that the back camera blends into the body of the design, I think is really nice, and it's definitely a step forward from previous Samsung flagships. And yes, I'm definitely talking about the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra here. Now, another huge design change, which I personally am really looking forward to, is the change to a flat screen display for all the S21 family. So since the S6, Samsung have been using a curved glass display on a lot of their phones, and gradually over the years they've been getting less curved and towards that flat design. We had the Galaxy S20 FE last year, which was a full flat design and looks really, really nice, and Samsung is apparently going to use a flat screen or flat display in all of the S21 family, which is really nice to see. Yes, it doesn't look quite as immersive and quite as futuristic, but it definitely is more functional, and you get less accidental touches on a flat display. Like all the other previous years, we've got 2 processor variants of the S21 family. So in the US and South Korea, we'll get the Qualcomm Snapdragon variant, and that'll be the Snapdragon 888 series or the 888 series. And then we've also got the Exynos series, which is the 2100 Exynos. And Samsung is rumoured to be working on the processing power and also the efficiency, which has often been a downside of previous Exynos models. So hopefully we'll see a big boost in performance and efficiency with the Exynos model, and hopefully that will keep up with the Snapdragon variant. Now, unfortunately, for some bad news. Now, Samsung will reportedly remove the charger and also the headphones from the S21 boxes. Thanks Apple for that one. And of course, even worse, they'll also ditch the expandable storage, which Samsung fans have grown to love and know over the years. So unfortunately, the storage you pay for is the storage you're going to get for the future. Similarly, another really downgrade, if you like, is also the fact that the base model S21 will also start with less RAM. So we're going to get 8GB of RAM, as opposed to the 12GB of RAM that we saw in the base model of the S20 last year. What's even more frustrating and actually quite confusing is the fact that Samsung may drop the display resolution from 1440p, which is what they've been using for so many years now on their flagship S lineup, to a 1080p panel. This is really weird and very, very confusing, because for a phone that you're looking at constantly and you're looking at quite closely, it's quite strange that Samsung are going to drop the resolution down. This may be to boost in colour accuracy and the performance of the display, but nevertheless, it's quite annoying to see the fact that you're going to get a downgrade in the display resolution. Again, we'll just have to see next week how Samsung decides to justify this. I'm sure they've got a very good reason as to why they're going to drop or downgrade the resolution of the screen and various other features. But again, we'll just have to wait till the 14th so we see how Samsung justifies this on stage. Finally, the base model of the S21 is rumoured to come with a plastic back, which is definitely a little bit of a downgrade from the glass back, which we've seen on so many previous S lineups. Of course, the Glastic back, as Samsung calls the material, will be more durable and will hopefully last a bit longer. And if you're like me and you put a case on your new phone as soon as you get it, it shouldn't be too much of a problem. But again, this is definitely a noticeable downgrade from the S20 last year. And hopefully Samsung justifies this and justifies it in the price point, because that price has got to be right. For the lack of some of the features on the S21 lineup. Now, Samsung hit this nail on the head with the S20 FE last year, as it was a flagship style smartphone, but with a very mid-range price of £599 with a plastic back, but also featured some really good specs like wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, and water and dust resistance too. So Samsung are going to definitely have to get this right. They're going to have to price the S21 lineup right so they can get fans from the older series to upgrade to their new S21, even if they've got less features or some downgrades from previous models. There's also a few other products which we might see on the January the 14th event next week. We've got the Galaxy Buds Pro, which are the upgrade from last year's Galaxy Buds Plus, and they're the in-ear design, and they also come with active noise cancellation, which is really good to see. We've also got the rumour of the Samsung Galaxy Smart Tags, which are a take on the Tile, but work in the Galaxy ecosystem, so you'll be able to find your devices or find your items using your phone, and it will pinpoint it directly to the Galaxy Smart Tags using ultra-wideband technology, which is brand new. However, a bit weirdly, in the latest rumours and leaks for the Galaxy Smart Tags, they do look very chunky and very thick, so it'll be interesting to see how that comes across on screen and on the event next week. So that's it, that's everything we know about the S21 family and other products which might be launched on the January the 14th event next week. Again, if you've got any questions, leave them down below and I'll get back to you with a response as soon as possible. And if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, as it really does help to push my video for more people to see. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe to see all the latest tech news and updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.